In this video, I'm going to show you how we can pay the Robinhood credit card bill by using Robinhood banking application. So at first, I'm going to open the banking application and very shortly it will be looking like this. At first, we need to go to the second tab from the bottom. I'm going to tap on the second tab and it is showing like this. To pay the balance, basically we just need to scroll a little bit and you will find payment due date is there. Here you will see there are two options are there, make a payment and virtual card. And next to the make a payment there is the details like in which date we have to pay. So to pay the bill, at first we need to tap on make a payment, this option. I'm going to tap it over there. Once I tap it over there, it is asking me this type of information, make a payment. But before choosing the options like make a payment, statement balance or something like that, let's first decide from where you want to pay. I'm going to do that thing first. So if I scroll a little bit, we'll see by default a bank checking account is selected. I need to configure it. I don't want to pay from this account. So what you need to do, we just need to tap it over there. I'm going to tap it over there and very shortly it will give us this type of account options. From here I have to choose from which account I want to pay. So I just selected on account from here, and if it is not there, you can easily add from the bottom like link like add payment account from there too. So I'm going to choose one of the account to pay the credit card bill. Once I choose one of them, then we'll be in this page. Now here we have to choose how much amount I want to pay, like minimum payment. Right now the minimum payment is 25. Then there is a statement balance. This is the statement balance, full balance, and the full balance means this is the full balance. Statement balance means last month statement balance, and full balance means last month plus this month till now I spend all the money to buy something like that. And custom means if you want to type any custom amount, so you can choose any option. If you want to pay like custom like $1 or $5 for example, how you can pay, you have to choose custom. Right side there is like 00 figure, we need to put the value. Just tap it over there. Once you tap it over there, then you will find this type of keypad where you want to type how much you want to pay. For example, I want to pay only $1, so I'm going to tap $1 and then I have to press the pay now button. I'm going to tap the pay now button. Once I tap on the pay now button, then it is actually giving me the details. Confirm payment account. This is the account from where I'm going to pay. Payment amount $1 and payment date today. And then there is a bottom, there is a confirm payment button. I'm going to tap it over there to complete the payment. Once the payment has been completed, then we'll get this type of confirmation message like payment confirmed. Thank you for your payment. Balance and available credit updated. Payment amount this much. Bank account. This is the bank account from where I paid and when I paid. Now just press the done button to go to the main screen. And that's it. In this way, we can easily pay our credit card bill by choosing some amount like based on our statement credit or like custom amount or like minimum payment.